Good morning, everyone. This is Last Garden Standing. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Sunchoke, better known as the Jerusalem artichokes. They are perennials. They come back every year. And they're a species of the sunflower. It's native to eastern, northern America. And they have these pretty yellow flowers, as I'll show you up close. They look a little bit different than the sunflower, but they still are similar. Now the sunflower is better known for its seeds, but the sunchoke is more known for their edible root, which is right here, as you can see. I dug those up earlier so I could show you. And I'll show you more in a minute. The sunchokes produce what is called tubers, and that's what we just showed you. It's the root system. And these tubers are a great source of iron, potassium. They're low in calories and high in fiber. So they're pretty darn good for you. You can also use these tubers like in salads as a water chestnut. You can use them, they're better used actually, as you would a potato. You can bake it, roast it, boil it, fry it, make French fries. They're good for French fries. You can do anything with the sunchoke as you do with the potato. In fact, there's some recipes online. I seen one called roasted sunchokes, and it looked really good. Let's show you what the tubers look like a little closer. That's them right there. They don't look like much right now. These are some small ones, but they can get real big. What you can do is dig up the roots and put them in a bucket, which I'm going to do with that little bucket right there. And then you store them in your garage or your basement, someplace cool, all winter, and you have them all winter. The ones that are left behind that you don't want to pull and just leave, they will spread. So, like I said, mine are constricted from the grapes up there, so I'm going to pull them forward and use a lot more land right here. Kind of by the fence there too, and that fence. In fact, I've got these little ones right here already started, and they did fine. They came back from last year, so I'll probably plant them all along this fence, out a little more, and along that fence. So it'd be interesting to see how they do next year. So what we're going to do is just put these tubers right in here. We're going to start storing them already. Just like that. And I'm going to break them off a little better. There they go. And I'm going to take some more of those too and get started. But I'm going to let them grow a little longer too so I can get a better tuber out of it. They just break off pretty easy. Not too bad. There's some already. We're going to store them and eat some this winter too. If you have any questions, just go on my email, comment, like, share, and let me know what you think. This is Last Garden Standing. And until next time, thank you for all your support.